Hi guys, welcome back. This is 2300 Gaming. So I'll be showing you all of my 6 characters, but like we'll start first with Yugo. So Yugo for me, he's one of the main damage dealer for your follow-up teams. Together with again Teresa with the agony and stuff with zero cast, which is really good. They're really good in they really are bread and butter or peanut butter and jelly. That's what I feel, okay? That's what I feel and what is much more natural. Because sometimes if you play like this card turn-based card gachas, some characters feels natural. The good thing about this game is there's no wrong combination. You just if you feel like it's a good combination to have, then go ahead and go for that. Okay? Go ahead and go for that. So, we're talking about Yugo. Yugo has cards here. This is basic cards. At the moment, like if you go to chaos, this will change significantly. So these are his basic cards. Okay, so this is just an attack. See, he lives and dies with skill of the hunt. So you need to have a stack for you to have a follow up. Okay, you also have, see, like look at this, like you have a shield. This dingo howling, there's also a draw card on this as well if you get an blessing, which is really cool. I don't have that one. Can we see the epiphany here? So this one. So if you go to the epiphany, there's like a commence the hunt, draw 2 cards. This is crazy. One to cast. Okay? Commence the hunt, add another 2, commence the hunt. So like I would like to get this. Commence the hunt and draw 2 cards. Okay? This is what I want. I know it's his shield is gonna be gone, but this one is good. Okay? Or like this one as well. Shield, commence the hunt, plus 2 commence the hunt. So you can think about those types of things. He lives and dies with commence the hunt. So usually you start with hunting instincts here. So when another combatant uses an upgrade card, you can increase your hunt commence. Okay, hunt commence is when targeting attack card inflict extra attack on the character. That's an extra attack. Hunt commence, and it stacks to 5. Whenever that's why I like to use Teresa and Mika because they have lots of skill cards. Okay? So commence the hunt as well. When using targeting attack card, inflicts extra attack on the target as well. So reduce commence the hunt by 1. Increase extra damage attack. So lots of things he works with the follow up. He's so good as well if you have a blessing. So um where is that great, like 3 damage random enemies under commence the hunt at the start of 2 damage random enemies. This one is good. 3 damage to random enemies commence the hunt for each target hit. So that will stack. So that's you forever having that commence the hunt for you to do follow-ups. Okay? So, or even this one. 3 damage to random enemies if under, but the problem is he's not gonna be activating the commence the hunt activation here. So, like that's why he's really good on doing those things. And again, I'll show you again how does he work in a way. He gains commence the hunt, he gets stacks, he counters attack, he follows up, so he gets shields and whatnot. So he's fairly decent, really really good. So let's just go here again and show you how he works with his team. Okay, this is again my team. I love this team so much. I'm not bored with this team. That's why the replayability of the chaos is really really good because you get excited. Okay, you get excited. I'm just gonna use this. Okay, increase max health. Okay, I wish I had that previous run in the past. So let's see. You need to look at the map here as well. Where are you going as well? So maybe we'll go on the top. I feel we'll go top. Okay. So once you go there, so this would be again my team, my deck. So you see, I start with when another combatant using some upgrade card or skill card gain 1 hunt commence. So there's another skill card here. There's another skill card here. So you will see the stack here. Okay. So you will see the stacks. Okay. If I use this AP plus 1, there's gonna be 1 stack there. So I've used this. This one again skill. So there's another second one here. Okay. Now if I use my attack here, chance for 1 commence the hunt. So there's another chance to get the commence the hunt. So that's a follow-up attack. And then this one would be poison and then a follow-up attack. Okay? So that's how he does that practically. And he has this 3 attack to random enemies, which is really good. So this is the one I'm saying. Okay? 3 damage to random enemies, commence the hunt for each target hit. So he will stack again this one. But like this one is crazy good as well. Because when you cast this, you get 2 without casting. So I can use this skill. Okay? I can use this skill or no, we'll use this skill instead. Okay, we'll use this skill. Okay, I'll be able to attack this guy 3 times because there's nobody there. So attack, and then attack him. Follow up. I have 4 stacks. It's gonna be 3. Attack him again. There's gonna be 2. Follow up. So that's how we do it practically. So this team is really legit. And then that's how you use Yugo to his like utmost potential. It's fairly easy to use. Okay, it's fairly easy to use. You just need to be knowing that you need a stack on the top. Okay, if there's no stack, he's not gonna do any follow-ups. That's the only thing that you need to remember. So hopefully you guys like this video. Like and subscribe again. This is again 2000 Gaming. Comment down below what you like about what 5-star unit are you using right now on top of your 2 teams. I would like to hear from you guys. This is again 2000 Gaming, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Bye bye.